As your company grows, so will your employee base. In this video, we are going to show you how to add a new user to your Canix account. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the left sidebar and click on where it says Admin. Remember, you will only see Admin if you have admin access on your Canix account. From here, we will click on User Management. The User Management page shows us every employee at our company who has access to Canix. If we wanted to edit an existing employee's permissions, we would do so under the Actions option. However, we are going to be adding a brand new employee to our Canix account, so we will be creating a new user. Go ahead and in the top right corner, click on Create User. From here, we will see all of these options that we will need to fill in. Let's start by adding our new employee's name, Sarah Smith. Then we are going to add in Sarah's phone number in case we need to reach out to her. We're going to input Sarah's email account. This should be the email account that Sarah will be using while at work. Then we're going to create a password for Sarah. Remember, your password needs to be at least 8 characters long. Otherwise, it will not allow you to move forward in creating a new user. We're going to go ahead and retype in that 8-character long password. An administrator is someone who will have full access to all of the features within Canix to include your billing details, facility and user management, and for those metric customers, the ability to submit data. Receiving email updates allows a person to have access to information about updates that have been happening on the account. This could deal with any type of audit log, if a plant has been destructed, if a package has been created, etc. Users with this function will be able to receive emails when sales orders are created. So we know that we don't want Sarah to have administrative access. However, we do want her to be able to receive email updates. So we will check off that box, and we want her to receive sales order email updates. So we will also check off that box. We will go into more detail about user permission groups in a later training video. However, for the time being, we're going to designate Sarah to the Cultivation Technician Permissions group. Now that everything has been filled out, let's go on and click the Create button in the bottom corner. The user management page will auto-refresh, and if we scroll down to the S's, you will see that Sarah Smith's account has been created within Canix. So in this video, we have showed you how to be able to access the user management page from the admin section on Canix, and to be able to create a new user on your Canix account. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we are uploading new training videos weekly. If you would like to review more information about our product or see it in action, feel free to reach out to us at canix.com.